Energy density in a parallel plate capacitor. The energy stored in a parallel plate capacitor is given by U equal half CV square, where C is the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor and V is the potential difference between the two plates of this parallel plate capacitor. U equal to half CV square, which is equation 1. U equal half CV square, which is equation 1, and that is the energy stored in this parallel plate capacitor. Now the energy density in this parallel plate capacitor will be energy density of the parallel plate capacitor will be parallel plate capacitor is U prime small u is equal to total energy stored divided by volume of the dielectric medium separated by the two plates, volume of the dielectric medium between the two parallel plates of this capacitor, volume of the dielectric medium between its two plates. So here we can assume that the dielectric medium is vacuum having permittivity epsilon 0 between these two parallel plates. Epsilon 0 is the electric permittivity of free space equal capital U divided by A into D, where D is the distance between two plates and A is the area of cross section of each plate. D is the distance between the two plates. Half CV square equal 1 by AD into half CV square. In the next page, we can write we can write 1 by AD half C V square again, where the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor C equal epsilon naught A divided by D, and A is the area of cross section of each plate. 1 by AD half epsilon 0 A divided by D V square. So equal half epsilon 0 V by D whole square after simplification. So therefore small u equal 1 by 2 epsilon 0 E square. This is small u, that is the energy density in this parallel plate capacitor, or energy density of a parallel plate capacitor, where E is the electric field intensity. At a point P in the dielectric medium or vacuum between the two plates of this parallel plate capacitor in the dielectric medium, that is, in this case it is vacuum, between the two plates of the capacitor. We can consider a point P between the two plates in the dielectric medium or in vacuum between the two plates. Unit positive charge is placed, and that will experience a field intensity capital E from the point P from positive plate to negative plate. And finally we get small u as half epsilon 0 E square. This is the energy density in the parallel plate capacitor, and it has unit joule per meter cube. Energy density has unit joule per meter cube.